That's what I thought. Isn't that funny? There is a woodpecker up there laying it down on that metal lamppost. Let him have it. There you go. Keep up the good work. Yeah, probably not too many bugs in the other metal light pole either, so time to move the show. See if I can get a little bit more stable. I am like completely not stable at all here. There we go. Maybe. I can't get where I need to be. There is no good way to do this. I've got this focus, so I've got this column mated in so tight that any slight movement I make is magnified. Yep, that's it. Just keep on trying and trying. These metal poles just don't give up a whole lot of insects, do they?